Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm yayang Fatma Imania. I'm from Physics Education Semarang State University. I want to explain about linear momentum and angular momentum. In physics, the momentum is the quantity associated with velocity and mass of an object. For example, have you ever witnessed a collision between two vehicles on the road? So what happened when two vehicles collide? This condition of a car or motorbike is my favorite part. So if we views from physics, this condition or this collision between two vehicles is determined by momentum of the vehicles. In physics, there are two types of momentum, namely linear momentum and angular momentum. But sometimes linear momentum is shortened to momentum. Momentum or linear momentum is the value of motion possessed by object moving on a straight path. And every object that moves must have a momentum. Whether a sooner or the later, it surely has momentum. And in science, momentum is a vector quantity. In addition, is having a large or value, momentum also has a direction. So, how determine of direction of the momentum? It's so easy. The direction of the momentum it's the same. It's always same with the direction motion of the object. When the object motion to the left, the direction of vector momentum to the left. When the object direction motion to the upwards, the direction vector momentum to upwards. And if the object moving to right, so the direction of vector momentum to the yes to the right. It's a great and already understood apparently. Mathematically, the momentum of the object is the product of mass of the object and velocity of the objects, and is written as P equals mv. And from description, P is momentum, m is mass, and v as velocity or speed, and its dimension m, l, t, rank 1. The momentum equations show that the momentum proportional to the velocity and the mass. The greater of the mass of the object, the greater momentum of the object. And the greater velocity or speed of the object, the momentum of the object will also be greater. For example, 100-kilogram trucks moving along a straight like path at 14 meters per second. How much momentum experienced by the truck? Graded m equals 100 kilogram and velocity equals 14 meters per second, and x cat is a linear momentum. And answered, linear momentum formula is P equals m multiplied v, and we can substitution m equals 100 kilogram multiplied 14 meter per second, and we can insert linear momentum formula. Linear momentum is 4000 kilogram meter per second. Angular momentum. If a linear momentum is a momentum possessed by an object on straight path, then And angular momentum is the momentum processed an object make circular motion or rotational motion. Then equational in angular momentum is equals to linear momentum equation. We can simple to make equational about angular momentum to replace linear momentum or P with angular momentum or L, and mass with uh, mass inertia or E, and velocity with angular velocity or omega. And ta-da! This is a formula of angular momentum. L equals to I multiplied by omega. And the angular momentum unit is a kilogram of squared meters per second. For example, an object has a moment of inertia of 2 kg m squared and rotated on a fixed axis with a velocity angle of 1 radian per unit time or radian per second. What is the angular momentum of the object? Graded I, or a moment of inertia, equals 2 kg meter squared. Omega equals 1 radian per second. And we have formula of angular momentum is L equals to E multiplied omega. And we can substitution when angular momentum equals 2 multiplied 1, and we can answer the angular momentum is 2 kilograms squared meter per second.